In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an Asana Project ID. This is a useful skill for anyone looking to integrate Asana with other tools or simply needing to access specific project information for reporting or automation purposes. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps. First, you'll need to head over to Asana by opening your favorite web browser and navigating to the Asana website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account to access your projects. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to proceed. Now, once you're in Asana, the next step is to locate the project for which you want to find the ID. You can do this by browsing through your list of projects or using the search function if you have a lot of projects and need to save time. Go ahead and click on the project name to open it. This will take you to the project details page where you can see all tasks, timelines, and other project-related information. Once you have the project open, look for the Actions menu, which should be located beside the project name. This menu usually appears as a small drop-down arrow or 3 dots, depending on the version of Asana you're using. Clicking on this will reveal a list of actions you can perform on the project. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to click on the option that says Export or Sync. This is where you can find different ways to export project data or sync it with other services. After you've clicked on Export or Sync, you'll see several options for exporting data. The one you're interested in is labeled JSON. Clicking this option will initiate the export process and download a file to your computer containing the project data in JSON format. Once you have the JSON file downloaded, open it with any text editor of your choice. You can use simple programs like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac or any other code editor you prefer. Inside this file, you'll find a lot of structured data pertaining to your project. Don't worry if it looks a bit complex at first glance. What you're looking for is a field labeled as GID. This stands for Global ID, and this alphanumeric string is the Asana Project ID you're after. Make sure to note this ID down if you need to use it later or copy it to your clipboard for immediate use. And that's it! You now know how to find and retrieve your Asana Project ID. This process is straightforward once you get the hang of it, and it opens up a lot of possibilities for integrating Asana with other tools or systems you might be using. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.